Check in at the airport. Good morning. I'm here to check in for my flight to Miami.
Good morning. Great. May I please see your passport?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Are you checking this suitcase today?
Yes, this one, please.
Perfect. Can you place it on the scale for me?
Sure, no problem. Here you go.
Great. Your bag is under the weight limit. That's good.
Nice. I'm happy to hear that.
Do you have any liquids or electronics inside the suitcase?
No, everything is in my backpack.
Perfect. Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I like to see the sky and take pictures of it.
That's lovely. I have a window seat available.
Amazing! Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your trip and have a wonderful flight.
Hotel breakfast. Good morning. Welcome to our breakfast buffet.
Good morning. Everything looks wonderful today.
I'm happy to hear that. Would you like some fresh pancakes?
Yes, please. They look amazing.
Great choice. Would you like syrup or fruit on top?
Syrup, please. I love sweet pancakes.
No problem. I'll add a little syrup for you.
Thank you. Can I also have some orange juice?
Of course. The orange juice is fresh and very tasty.
Perfect. I enjoy starting my day with something fresh.
That's wonderful. Do you want to try our berries too?
Yes, they look delicious. I'll take some strawberries.
Excellent choice. They are so sweet.
Nice! This breakfast is wonderful.
I'm glad to hear that. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Asking for city directions. Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, I need an information. Do you help me find this place?
Of course. Where do you want to go?
I want to find Times Square. Is it close to here?
Yes, it's pretty close. You just need to walk straight ahead.
Great. Should I turn left or right after that?
Turn right at the next big corner, and you will see many bright signs.
Wow, thank you. I'm excited to see it.
You'll love it. It's one of the most beautiful places in the city.
That sounds wonderful. I really want to go there.
I'm glad to help you. New York is an amazing city.
Thank you, officer. You helped me so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time in the city.
I will. Have a great day.
Meeting at a cafe. Hi, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great. And you? How are you?
I'm quite good. What did you order to drink?
I got a hot coffee. What about you?
I chose a cappuccino. What do you think about this cafe?
I love it. It's a nice place. And you?
I really like it. What fun things have you done this week?
I went for a walk in the park. What nice thing did you do this week?
I visited a new bakery. What plans do you have for the weekend?
I want to relax and read. Do you have any plans?
I want to enjoy some fresh air. Can we meet again soon?
Yes, of course. Would next week be good for you?
Sure.
Okay. See you late.
Bye.